Hello, I'm Chef Michael with Chef Michael's Food Hacks, wishing you and your family a safe and happy holiday season. Ho, ho, ho!
Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and today we are making enchilada, chicken and cheese. Yummy! Okay, as I said, we're making enchilada today. Right now I have a combination of some grilled chicken. I shredded it in a food processor, and I had beans and some cheese, cumin, coriander, some chili powder. Okay. Now traditionally, what they do is they dip these in hot oil. Okay, to make them pliable. I don't like to do that. I want the extra oil. So I put them on a baking pad. I stuck them in a 170 degree oven. I covered them with a towel after they were warm so they don't dry out. And now they're going to be pliable for me. But what I'm going to do with these other ones that are sitting while I'm rolling, I'm going to cover them, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is pack it in. It's almost like, I don't know if you've ever made sushi before, but you're going to pack them like this. And you want to roll it inside. Not that good at it, okay? So now see, I've got it. I rolled it. And I placed it in here, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make rows of these. We're going to cover it with some more enchilada sauce. Now enchilada sauce is traditional. What I do is I take a little thick and chunky organic salsa and I mix it in for a little more flavor, okay? I'm going to grab it. I'm going to push it out. All right? You put it in the middle and you roll it gently so you don't crack the tortilla, okay? But you've got to warm the tortilla because otherwise it'll break when you try to roll it. Okay, I got the tortillas rolled out with the chicken filling. I have this in a heavy-duty non-stick baking pan. Now on the bottom, as I was telling you, I put a little enchilada sauce. Now I'm going to put a little bit of enchilada sauce on top. You don't want to drown this, okay? Now I'm going to bake these off at about 350 degrees for about 20-25 minutes, and then I'll show you what we have. I'm going to put a little cheese on top. And that is pretty much it. These are your chicken and cheese enchiladas. Okay, enchiladas just came out of the oven. I forgot to tell you, I covered this with heavy-duty aluminum foil, all right? But anyway, I'm going to let this sit for a couple minutes. Then I'm going to plate it up and show you what it looks like. Okay, this is it. Chicken and cheese enchilada, ready to eat. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Please stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well.
Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.